na ba ang mga pangako mo? Sabi mo'y ako ang tanging nasa puso mo, hanggang wakas di maglalaho. Pangako mo'y di magbabago. Naalala mo pa ba, mahal ko? Aking pag-iisa, aking nadarama, kalungkutan sa buhay ko. Ang nais ko'y makasama ka hanggang sa panaginip ko. Ikaw ang aking nakikita, hindi magagawang limutin ka. Awit ko'y pakinggan at laging tatandaan, mahal kita, pag-ibig ko'y tanging sa'yo, sinta. Ikaw ang lahat sa akin at pagkamamahalin. Ikaw at ako, sana'y laging magkapiling. Kapag nakita ka, ako'y namumula. Kapag kausap ka, ako'y nahihiya. Sabi ng puso ko, ako'y in love sa'yo. Sana ay mahalin mo rin ako. Sakto na yun, ayun na. Just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many better tears are raining down on me. I'm just far away from home. I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, how could it be? How did you do to me? I wanna growing up, but what a struggle it would be. In my strangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find when I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't change your mind. Torn between the love and the love you leave behind. You're headed for disaster. You're the victim of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Sakto na yun?
Usa, lasong. Lasong. Sige na. Ato si Pus.
Build my world around you, and I want you to know. Need you more, how much I needed everyone before. I live my life for you. I wanna be by your side, and at everything that you do. And if there's only one thing you can believe is true, I live my life for you. Sakto na yun? Ayos na?